Today, if you feel like you've already lost, if your mind feels heavy and tired, if you're sitting there thinking, I don't have the energy to try anymore, then stop for a moment, because today I'm going to tell you the story of a man who owns some of the biggest companies in the world today. But there was a time when his entire life was collapsing. This is the story of Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX. So put your headphones on, place your phone to the side, and just listen to the struggle of this man. Elon Musk didn't grow up powerful. He didn't grow up confident. He didn't grow up admired. As a child, he was quiet. He spent most of his time alone. At school, he was bullied badly, physically and mentally. Other kids pushed him around, laughed at him, and treated him like he didn't belong. People didn't see a future leader in him. They saw a weak, awkward kid who wouldn't survive the real world. But inside his silence, there was curiosity. Inside his loneliness, there was imagination. He wasn't dreaming of money. He was dreaming of changing how the world works. As he grew older, he started taking risks that most people were afraid of. He built companies. He invested everything he had. For a short time, it looked like success was finally coming. And then, everything started falling apart. One company failed, then another. Millions of dollars disappeared. Investors lost faith and walked away. The media turned against him. Tesla was almost shut down. SpaceX failed again, and again, and again. 3 rockets exploded. People openly said, "This man is crazy." They said space was impossible. They said electric cars would never work. At one point, Elon Musk didn't even have enough money to pay rent. That's something most people don't know. This man, who would later inspire millions, was living under extreme pressure, debt, and fear. This was the darkest phase of his life. He slept on the factory floor, worked 16 to 18 hours every single day. Sometimes he skipped meals completely. His body was exhausted. His mind was breaking. There were moments when he questioned everything. Moments when quitting felt like the only logical option. But every time he thought about giving up, one thought stopped him. If I quit today, will I be able to respect myself tomorrow? So he kept going, not because it was easy, not because he felt strong, but because quitting would hurt more than trying one last time. He made a decision, one final attempt. If this failed, everything would be over. Then came the launch. SpaceX launched again, and this time, it worked. That single success changed everything. NASA trusted him. Investors returned, Tesla survived. SpaceX rewrote the future of space travel. Today, Elon Musk is one of the most influential entrepreneurs in the world. Tesla changed how we see electric vehicles. SpaceX brought space exploration closer than ever before. But his greatest achievement is not his wealth, it's not his companies, it's not his fame. His greatest achievement is that he didn't quit when quitting was the easiest option. So if today you're tired, if life feels unfair, if you feel like you failed too many times, remember this: the people who rise the highest are often the ones who fell the hardest. Your story isn't finished yet. You're still here, and as long as you haven't quit, there's still time to win.